Shit. We just had something sitting on. I just had it sitting on the bottom messing with my GoPro. Oh, look at that. Come on, stay out of the brush. Okay, you wanna play? Okay, go play. Oh, you're in the brush. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get me out. Get out of there, buddy. Come on, hook it up. Oh, you're fine. Come on, just get out of there, buddy. Come on. Come on. So one bad thing about fishing right here is he's gonna get tangled up, and I'm trying to get him out of that. Yeah, he's in there. He's not coming out. I don't want to break it either. Just let him go with it, I guess. Get out of there. He's still fighting it. I just can't get him out of there. Sorry, buddy. Had to do it. Oh, yeah. Calm down. We'll get you out. Look at that beaut. Look at that.